Under the warm invitation, we went to customer's factory last week. The purpose of this trip is to do field data measurement to ensure the rationality of all designs and the smooth completion of installation and commissioning work in the future. We began the day's work of measuring and detailing at the second morning. The customer was very satisfied with our modular cleanroom project. We are detail-oriented clean room design and construction manufacturer with one-stop service after all. On the third day, we continued to implement the specific design scheme and factory quotation, and visited the customer's factory. Both of us are looking forward to this cooperation. Pharma Clean can supply various types of equipment and clean room engineering solutions according to your specific needs and requirements. We are Suzhou Pharma Machinery Company, Limited, a leading manufacturer in clean room manufacturing with more than 20 years of experience. Welcome, contact and follow us.